Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Math 20-1 lesson, we are doing 10 worked examples on trigonometric ratios, outcomes T1 and T2. We will move slowly through standard position angles, reference angles, coterminal angles, exact values, quadrantal angles, and trig equations. If this helps, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Example 1. Sketch an angle of 220 degrees in standard position. The initial arm starts on the positive x-axis. Since 220 degrees is between 180 and 270, the terminal arm lands in quadrant 3. The angle turns counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. Example 2. Find two coterminal angles for 45 degrees. Coterminal angles share the same terminal arm. Add 360 degrees to get 405 degrees. Subtract 360 degrees to get negative 315 degrees. So 45 degrees, 405 degrees, and negative 315 degrees are coterminal. Example 3. Find the reference angle for 210 degrees. 210 degrees is in quadrant 3. In quadrant 3, subtract 180 degrees. 210 minus 180 is 30. So the reference angle is 30 degrees. Example 4. A point on the terminal arm is negative 3, 4. Find sine, cosine, and tangent. First calculate r using the distance formula. R equals the square root of negative 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 5. Sine is y over r, so sine theta is 4/5. Cosine is x over r, so cosine theta is negative 3/5. Tangent is y over x, so tangent theta is negative 4/3. Example 5. Find the 6 trig ratios when opposite is 5, adjacent is 12, and hypotenuse is 13. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so sine is 5/13. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so cosine is 12/13. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so tangent is 5/12. The reciprocals are cosecant 13/5, secant 13/12, and cotangent 12/5. Example 6. Find the exact value of sine 45 degrees. Use the 45, 45, 90 triangle. Its side ratio is 1/(1√2). Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so sine 45 degrees is 1/√2. Rationalizing gives √2/2. Example 7. Find the exact value of cosine 300 degrees. 300 degrees is in quadrant 4. The reference angle is 60 degrees. Cosine is positive in quadrant 4. Cosine 60 degrees is 1/2, so cosine 300 degrees is 1/2. Example 8. Find tangent 225 degrees. 225 degrees is in quadrant 3. The reference angle is 45 degrees. Tangent is positive in quadrant 3. Tangent 45 degrees is 1, so tangent 225 degrees is 1. Example 9. Evaluate sine 270 degrees and tangent 90 degrees. At 270 degrees, the unit circle point is 0, -1. Sine is the y-coordinate, so sine 270 degrees is -1. At 90 degrees, the unit circle point is 0, 1. Tangent is y over x, and x is 0, so tangent 90 degrees is undefined. Example 10. Solve 2 sine theta minus 1 equals 0 from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. First isolate sine theta. 2 sine theta equals 1, so sine theta equals 1/2. The reference angle is 30 degrees. Sine is positive in quadrants 1 and 2. Therefore theta equals 30 degrees or 150 degrees. Great work! For T1 and T2, draw the angle in standard position. Find the reference angle. Use special triangles for exact values. Use quadrant signs with cast. Remember unit circle coordinates for quadrantal angles. and solve trig equations by finding the reference angle and choosing the correct quadrants. Like the video and subscribe for more Math 20-1 worked examples.